हितकुगे तेरे कुरान अबदल लवा कुरान नूर हयात कुरान.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aayan Muhammad Ibrahim. I am going to tell you about the story of the lion and the mouse. One day the lion was sleeping in the forest. A little mouse started to play on the lion. Wee, wee. Suddenly the lion woke up, grabbed the little mouse, and opened his big mouth to eat the little mouse. Ah! The mouse was very scared. Sorry, lion, please don't eat me. I will help you some other day, promised the little mouse. You help me? Ho ho ho! How can a little mouse help me? The lion laughed, letting this funny little mouse go free. After several days, the little mouse found the lion. He saw that the lion has fallen into a hunter's trap. Please help me! Please help me! Cried the lion. The little mouse ran to the lion and started to bite the ropes with his sharp teeth. Finally, he broke all the ropes and the lion was free. Thank you, little mouse, said the lion. You're welcome. I kept my promise to help you, said the little mouse. The moral of the story is even the smallest friends can do big favors. Jazakallah khairan.